Look at yourself right now. When was the last time you felt proud of who you are? Can't remember? That's the problem. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're slowly destroying yourself, and you don't even know it. Every morning you wake up tired. Not because you didn't sleep, but because you have nothing to wake up for. Every night you scroll for hours, watching others live the life you secretly want. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll change, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes. Same screen, same regret, same emptiness. And slowly, piece by piece, you're losing yourself. I know this because I once lived in the same hell. No one told you this. The real problem isn't laziness. It's that your life has no system, and without a system, your brain always chooses the easiest path. Here are 5 brutal steps to fix this. Step 1. Starve the poison. Your brain is a hard drive. Garbage in, garbage out. Delete the apps that steal your time tonight. Step 2. Move your body. Weak body equals weak mind. 30 minutes of physical pain daily. Discipline is built through voluntary suffering. Step 3. Guard your morning. No phone for the first 60 minutes. Your first hour decides your next 23 hours. Step 4. Fix your inner voice. Every morning, say out loud, I am disciplined. I am focused. I am becoming dangerous. Your brain believes what you repeat. Step 5. Burn the bridges. You become what surrounds you. Distance yourself from people who drain you. An idle mind is the devil's playground. So ask yourself right now, who are you really? The man who scrolls until 3 a.m. and wakes up with regret? Or the man who builds in silence and becomes someone no one saw coming? Both versions exist inside you. One has to die. You choose which one. 6 months from now, you could be unrecognizable, sharp, disciplined, powerful. Or you could be exactly where you are today. Same regret, same emptiness. The difference isn't luck, it's commitment. Comment, I'm ready right now. And remember, even from afar, I'm rooting for you.